Sometimes it happens that you need to change the admin email address of your site. And if you do that, then the WordPress sends out a confirmation email to this email you just entered here. For example, if I switched from this email to this email, then the confirmation email is sent. Although it's a nice security layer, sometimes happens that the person who the email is sent will not confirm the email, and therefore the email address will be the same as it was. It has happened to me a couple of times because I delivered the site to a client, entered their email address over here. The email like this was sent, but since they did not click on this link here, my own email address was here and all kinds of notifications from the site were delivered to my emails later. And sometimes it's rather annoying. Therefore, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways how to change this address here without the WordPress sending out the confirmation email. First option, go to the address wp-admin/options.php and you'll see something like that. Find admin email, this one here. Now I'm going to change it, for example, info@someotheremail.com. Scroll down and save it. Now if I go to general, the email has changed, but also one email was sent. The email admin email changed was sent. This email was sent to the previous email owner, to this email here. If you don't want this email to be sent out, then take a look at another 2 options. First of them is installing a plugin. Go to the plugins, add new and search for change admin email, this one here. Install it and activate it. There are no settings for you to change, therefore go to the settings, general, and change the email address here. Save changes, and it's done. Now if you don't need this plugin anymore, you just go to plugins, install plugins, deactivate it, and delete it. Third option is a bit more technical. You have to go to the PHP myadmin. That means that if you're using the cPanel, go to your cPanel, search for PHP myadmin. Open it up. Open the database you would like to modify and click on WP options. Now select data, admin email as you see it's here. Click on edit and change it to something else. Now save it and take a look. I'm going to refresh. Now there is written that there is a pending change of admin email to the old one. Just press cancel. And this one is your new email address. Well, as you saw, it wasn't so difficult to accomplish, and you can choose which of those solutions is the right one for you. Now, if you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and you will be the first to be notified about the new tutorials. Meanwhile, take care.